Hi Year 8, I just wanted to show you how to submit your attendance while we're working from home. So what you will see when you go to your home class page is something like this. You might not be an 8ED, but I'm just showing you that as an example. So you'll have your class list over here where you can access any of your classes. These are all the classes that I teach. You'll have your posts, your folders. If I put any work in a folder, I'll always let you know. Not sure if you guys have members, but I can see who's in our class. You can also access your classes up here if you didn't know. Your messages are here, your notifications. Alright, so attendance. Every lesson I will post an assignment, a different one every single lesson that says attendance. I need you guys to click this button here. It might say open or view assignment or something. And what it does for me is I can see who has viewed and submitted. So for this class, no one has submitted, but a couple of people have viewed. It's better for me if you've submitted it, but I can count you in attendance if you've viewed it. So you need to click submit or view assignment, then submit, whatever it says. It is in alphabetical order, so I can really easily mark you here. That is the best way for me to do it. What I don't want you guys to do is to like the post. I don't want to mark your attendance from likes. I want it to be from this assignment. And if you've completed the work, I don't want to mark you here from completing the work because lots of people are doing it at different times. So I need you guys to be submitting this attendance assignment so I know who's here during the period, because that's what Miss Bavayed has asked us to do. If you have any questions, you can always privately message me or comment on our page. I'm always happy to answer your questions about this, and I hope that you guys are staying safe and that I'll get to see you soon.